Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your XIAOMI 12S Ultra. So in the first step you have to go to Play Store, then look for the fax app. Now choose one of these apps. I'm always using the EasyFax. Okay, now we have to add up permissions to the camera and to the files. To choose your document, click here and select the source of it. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Of course you can pick more than one picture. If you're ready, click import. And now you can adjust the shape to your document. Click here after that, and now you can choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from this list. Option, you can give a small note here. And now if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and select the source like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just click here, buy or get free the credits, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.